Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by containing the problem. Back up bookmarks and critical files, then disconnect or use airplane mode so the hijacker can't fetch updates. Open Task Manager and browser extension pages to spot unfamiliar entries. Write names down. Once done, kill suspicious processes and disable unknown extensions. This prevents immediate reinfection while you clean. Make sure to keep one clean browser window for research. Do not sign into accounts yet. These first actions stop spread and collect evidence for targeted removal. You now perform the heavy lifting. Reboot into safe mode with networking and run a full anti-malware and antivirus scan from reputable tools, because safe mode limits the hijacker's active components. Once scans complete, inspect startup entries and scheduled tasks for the names you noted, and delete or disable them. Also reset proxy settings to direct connection. Then uninstall suspicious applications through Control Panel or Package Manager, and clear browser data, cookies, cache, and site settings to remove persistent scripts. You finish by restoring browser integrity. Reset settings to default or create a new profile, then reinstall only trusted extensions. Once the system is clean, change all passwords using a different, secure device if possible. This prevents compromised credentials from being reused. Make sure to update OS and browsers to close vulnerabilities. If the hijacker persists, use a recent system, restore point, or seek professional removal. One key troubleshooting tip: boot from Rescue Media and Scan, because offline tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.